In this video I will teach you how to use Strava on Garmin watch. So this will be a step-by-step tutorial how to connect Strava to your Garmin watch. I will show you how to do it on your mobile phone, and also there will be an instruction how to do it on Garmin web dashboard. So first of all, take your mobile phone and ensure that Garmin Connect and Strava apps are installed on your smartphone. Then you need to open the Garmin Connect app on your phone, then click menu button, and from the settings you need to go to the connected apps. In the connected apps you need to choose Strava from the list and press get started. You will be asked to log in into Strava. When you enter the credentials and log into your Strava account, your accounts will be linked. Also, here is an instruction how to do this on Garmin Connect web dashboard. So if you have got the older Garmin that does not sync with a smartphone or like to work using web apps, you can also pair Strava to Garmin together via the browser dashboard. First, you need to go to the Garmin Express to sync your device with your PC or Mac and have a Garmin connected account. Likewise, you will need a Strava account too. Go to this link right here, strava.com/upload/device. Under the Garmin, click Get Started, and finally enter your Garmin Connect login details to authorize a link to Strava. That's how you can connect Strava to your Garmin watch. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.